Please stop creating boring digital cards. Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to my CardClan IO tutorial. In it, I'm going to be showing you how to create digital cards that stand out. First, I want you to tap the link in the description and you will be redirected to CardClan. And you can test out this platform for completely free. With CardClan, you'll be able to send digital cards that stand out, even as a complete beginner. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is tap on Start Free Trial. After selecting Start Free Trial, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From the dashboard, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you can select Templates. And depending on the type of card or the occasion, you will have different options that you can select. You can see Christmas, Teachers Appreciation. There are numerous options. But we're going to be creating a new card. And the thing that I like about CardClan is you can also incorporate Canva. And as you may know, Canva is one of the best platforms when it comes on to creating digital products, even as a complete beginner. And also, you can use it for free, which is a major plus in my book. Now, to get started, let's say we were to use one of their templates. So we can scroll down and let's say I would like to use this one. After selecting it, this will be the cover page. Then you're going to add an inside page. So we'll tap on the plus. After selecting the plus, you can either go over to the left-hand menu option and you can add images. So you can tap on Add Image and you can select from one of these images, or you could choose to design on Canva. So we're going to tap on Design on Canva. After selecting Design on Canva, it is going to redirect us to Canva, as you can see right here. Then from there, you can choose from any one of the templates, or you can go over and you can simply tap right here. And let's say I were to type in thank you card. After selecting thank you card, you can see different options. And let's say I would like to customize one of these options. So I'm going to be using this one. So we'll select this. After you have done that, you can tap on the text and you could edit the text. If it is a case that you would like to add an element, you can do that by going over to the top left-hand corner. You can hover over elements, tap on the search bar, and you can type in whatever you would like to add. So let's say I would like to add a flower. So I'm going to type in flower. After doing that, you can see different options. I'm just going to be adding a simple little flower just to pep it up. So we can scroll down. Any one of the templates that you see with a crown, that means that you would have to be one of the paid subscribers on Canva to use it. So we're going to be selecting this option. We'll just minimize it. I'm going to be adding it right there. After doing that, we're going to tap on Publish. You can see it is being added. Once it has been added, as you can see here, it is uploading. You can adjust the sizing by simply pulling along the end. And by the way, you can also change the background if you want. So if it is a case that you would like to add a little pep to the background, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and select background. Then you can choose either from one of the colors, or you can choose a particular image. You can upload the image that you would like to use, or you can select one of their pre-loaded images right here. So let's say for example's sake, I'm just going to be using this color. After doing that, if you would like to add more pages, you can tap on the plus to add more pages. And if it is a case that you're using this for your business, so you want to add a call to action button, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, select call to action. Then you can adjust where you would like to place the button. You can put in the button link. This is where you'd like to redirect your customers or client to. Change the call to action button text if you want. You can also change the color, text color. You can also change the border style. Once they're finished, you'll tap on the arrow at the bottom of the page. If it is a case that you'd like to add a next page, if it is a case you're ready to send it, you'll tap on send. Then from here, you'll be able to add a recipient, or you can upload your CSV file. So if you would like to send it to numerous persons, you can add your CSV file. Then you can add in your email address right here, and you can also add the subject line. Once you have added that information, you'll be able to send your cards, your digital cards, just like that. When it comes on to CardClan IO, the pricing is quite straightforward and it is affordable. Whether you're an individual looking to send Christmas or thank you cards to, for example, family members or friends, or you're a solopreneur and you'd like to reach out to a few clients that have supported you during the year, or you are a business owner and you have a large CSV files of clients or customers that you would like to show your appreciation, this platform will allow you to do that. For example, for their $19.99 plan, you will be able to send 30 cards. If it is a case that you have a large business with a large collection of customer information, you can go onto the business plan and you can see you'll be able to send unlimited cards. And the most popular plan is the $29.99 per month plan, which should allow you to send 50 cards, as you can see right here. And you'll also be able to integrate Zapier workflow. With Zapier workflow, you'll be able to now integrate automations. So you can do that. You can use the business plan if you want, depending on the purpose of you sending the cards. And if it's a case that you would like a one-time deal, I have that for you. So you could go onto AppSumo, which I'll be leaving a link in the description, and you can get their one-time deal. So for example's sake, you could use the $69 deal, and you'll get lifetime access and be able to send 50 cards per month. If you have a large CSV file, you can go up to, for example's sake, the $276 per month plan, and you'll be able to send 400 cards per month. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.